Want to speak English like a pro without stopping or stumbling? Imagine chatting in English as easily as you talk to your friends. Sounds cool, right? Give me just 5 minutes and I'll share 5 super easy steps to make your English awesome. Trust me, you'll want to watch till the end. Step 5. Forget grammar. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need grammar to speak English well. Think about it. You speak your language easily without studying grammar, don't you? You understand me right now 100% without a grammar test. English works the same way. Skip the grammar books and just talk. Step 4. Don't memorize words or phrases. In school, teachers say, learn 10 words or 10 phrases. That's wrong. Why? A single word has many meanings, and memorizing it alone confuses you. Instead, listen to stories or watch videos in English. Words will stick naturally, like beads on a string, because the story helps you remember them without trying. Step 3. Say words together. English speakers don't say, I am going, slowly. They say, I'm going, fast. Not I will do that, but I'll do that. Listen to how people talk, copy them exactly, and practice saying words together. It sounds natural and cool. Step 2. Don't try to be perfect. You can't learn English in one day or 1 week. It's like growing a plant. It takes time. Keep practicing a little every day, and soon you'll feel comfortable. Later, you'll love speaking English because it's fun. Step 1. Never memorize by rote. Repeating words over and over is boring and doesn't work. Your brain forgets them fast. Instead, go with the flow. Listen, practice, and enjoy. Over time, English will become part of you, like your favorite song. Try these 5 steps, and your English will shine. Which step will you start with? Tell me in the comments. Follow for more tips and subscribe to keep learning.